Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a product free shipping on Shopify. First, you'll need to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select settings. So you're going to tap on settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on shipping and delivery. Once you have selected shipping and delivery, from here you're going to tap on new profile in the top right-hand corner. After selecting new profile, you can give the profile a name. So for example, I'm just going to call it free shipping. So we'll type that in right here. So customers won't be seeing this profile name. Then you're going to tap on add products. And let's say I would like to offer free shipping on this particular product. I'll select the product, then tap on done. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can add the shop location. You can also set up the different shipping zones. So you can tap on add shipping zones. And for example, let's say we would like this particular product to be shipped in a certain region. You can select, for example, I'll select the Caribbean. So I'll type that in right there and see if that is available. No. So I'm just going to be selecting United States, for example. And you can give the zone a name. Then you'll tap on test and you'll tap on done. After you have done that, you can see right there, add rate. You're going to tap on add rate. And this is where you'll be able to set up the free shipping. So you just want to leave the price at free. If it is a case that you would like to add a condition so that customers will need to spend or purchase a certain amount before they receive the free shipping, you can do that by tapping on conditional pricing. From here, you can choose either based on item weight or you can select based on order price. So you can choose whether you like them to spend a certain amount or based on the item weight, you could add that in right there. So I'm just going to tap on remove conditional pricing and I'm just going to leave it as free. Then we'll tap on done. We're going to give the rate a name. So we're going to call it free once more and I'm going to tap on done. Then we'll select save. So that means that anyone that goes onto my store and purchase this particular product from the United States will be able to receive free shipping. And you can change the different regions by going back into the product. You could tap on add shipping zone and you could add different shipping zones. And from there you can leave it as free. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button